How to find the save file location in Grand Theft Auto V. Welcome back to Teknobalta. During our comprehensive investigation into Grand Theft Auto V, we discovered that locating your local save files can be incredibly frustrating due to scattered directory paths. Our testing revealed that both local storage and cloud synchronization play a massive role in where your progress is actually stored. Teknobalta's technical team has rigorously analyzed the file structure to provide you with the definitive solutions for backing up and restoring your progress. We confirmed that understanding the difference between standard user documents and hidden system partitions is critical for this fix. Let us dive directly into our advanced diagnostic and recovery steps. Our initial diagnostics always begin by checking the most common default directory for the game. You must navigate to your primary system drive, open the user's folder, select your active Windows profile, and enter the standard documents directory. Teknobalta has verified that the Rockstar Games folder located here is the primary hub for your configuration data. Inside the Rockstar Games directory, you will find the main folder dedicated to the game, and within that, the Profiles directory. Our analysis showed that this specific folder contains alphanumeric subfolders where your actual local progression is written. If this directory is missing, the game has failed to initialize a local save state properly. To bypass manual navigation errors, we recommend using the Windows Run command directly. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously, then type the exact command string to open your user profile documents directory. Our team found that executing this command guarantees you are looking at the correct active path for your current Windows session. During our deep dive testing, we realized that alternative save configurations are often hidden by the operating system. You must open your File Explorer options and explicitly check the box to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Teknobalta confirms this is an absolute necessity for the following advanced directory checks. With hidden items now visible, navigate to your root user directory and open the newly revealed AppData folder. From there, enter the roaming directory where application-specific data is actively cached. We discovered that certain game versions store backup profiles and controller configurations deep within this path. Inside the roaming directory, you must locate the specific folder associated with the game's launcher. Our extensive testing confirmed that checking the social club directory here can reveal fragmented save data and crucial account synchronization files. You will find everything from gamepad configurations to backup save structures in this location. If your local profile remains missing, our diagnostics require investigating the system-wide program data partition. Navigate directly to your primary C drive and open the hidden program data folder to search for launcher directories. Teknobalta identified this as a critical secondary location where specific versions write their core data. Within the program data partition, you must locate the master directory for the publisher. Our technical team confirmed that checking this specific path often reveals the missing synchronization logs required to reconstruct your progression. Ensure you verify every subfolder present within this directory. Specifically, inside the Program Data Publisher folder, look for the dedicated Social Club directory. We tested this fix and confirmed that transferring missing profile folders into this specific path can force the engine to recognize your old progression. This behavior is heavily dependent on whether you use different digital storefronts. Moving away from the Windows file system, Teknobalta's analysis revealed that cloud settings can override your local files. While the game is actively running, you must press the Home key on your keyboard to deploy the integrated social overlay. This interface is the central hub for managing how the server interacts with your machine. Once the overlay is visible on your screen, navigate to the top right corner and click the small gear icon to access the core settings. Our investigation showed that many local file issues stem from improper configurations, Within this specific submenu, you must access the Primary Game Settings tab to proceed. We discovered that your progression is stored on dedicated publisher servers rather than standard third-party cloud platforms. Within the Settings menu, you must carefully review the active synchronization toggles to understand where your client is pulling data from. Teknobalta highly recommends manually inspecting this before attempting any file transfers. Locate the specific toggle for remote storage and physically switch it from enabled to disabled or vice versa, depending on your diagnostic goal. Our testing confirmed that forcing a state change here triggers the client to rewrite the local directory path upon your next successful save. This completely refreshes the communication between your system and the server. Even with cloud features functioning properly, Teknobalta strongly advises creating manual hard copies of your directories. We found that server-side progression can occasionally become corrupted, making a physical backup of your newly discovered profile folder essential. Simply copy the entire alphanumeric directory to a secure external drive. During our rigorous diagnostics, we noticed that running multiple digital storefronts can confuse the installation path. If your directories are completely empty, our team recommends completely shutting down the primary launcher through the Task Manager. Rebooting the application with administrator privileges forces the engine to recreate the missing folder hierarchy. Teknobalta's advanced troubleshooting also identified Windows security as a primary culprit for missing document creation. You must navigate to your system's ransomware protection settings and ensure that the game executable is explicitly allowed through controlled folder access. Our testing showed that the operating system frequently blocks the engine from writing to the documents folder entirely. After making these extensive directory adjustments and bypassing security blocks, you must verify the core installation files. Open your respective digital launcher, navigate to the game properties, and initiate a full integrity check. We confirmed that this step repairs any damaged executable files that might be failing to trigger the save protocol. By following our comprehensive diagnostic roadmap, you have successfully located, managed, and secured your local progression files. Teknobalta guarantees that mastering these directories will prevent any future data loss or cloud synchronization failures. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.